Hey guys, I have something really nice to show you today. It will be an unboxing video. Now actually these arrived already yesterday morning, but I wasn't here to see it, so I can hardly wait to look at them. I must admit I haven't even picked in the box yet, so all I did is remove the outer layer, the outer box, and put it like this, and immediately start to record. Now I have to thank Francisco from EDgun Spain team. He's the guy that lent me these two rifles. I will be able to have them for quite a while, so probably I will probably make a few videos with different topics in terms of accuracy, efficiency, and things like that, you know, things that are typical, things that I like to do, explore the guns. So he's also the guy that lent me EDgun Leshy last year, that I reviewed partially last year. One video was actually beginning of this year. And so yeah, thanks a lot, and hopefully we can continue this cooperation and I can show you more guns from what he can provide for me. Okay, so let's open because I'm shaking. Okay, so as you can see, there are two of them. I believe one of them, the top one, is the long version and the bottom one is super long. Let's check. Okay. You've probably already seen some videos from Ed himself, so you probably know what the package looks like. Now I see that with this one I have a separate barrel. I believe that it's 30 caliber and this one is 25. It may be other way around, but I believe that's what I received. So just some styrofoam there, but otherwise everything seems to be intact. Assume that's the safety. Oh, it's very light. Nice stock. Nice to feel. Big moderator, so it should be quiet, fairly quiet. Have the sign here that this is one of the 407 guns, limited edition. What is the serial number of this one? It's number 19. I believe it was also in the box. Very nice. It's hard to tell the caliber. Okay, we can check here. Yeah, it looks like a 25 right now, so probably the other barrel is 30 caliber. Single shot, loading tray. This seems to be very smooth. Let's check if there any air in it. Ah, it has a digital gauge. Okay, I have to. Let's check again how this works. I believe you press it. Yeah, it says high. 5 bars. Okay, so it's definitely empty. Yeah, let's check the barrel. Oh, it's also 25. I'm not sure what was the arrangement here, but I'll find out. We'll see. Yeah, let's do one dry fire. Very smooth cocking. Let's check the trigger out of the box. Very soft, long first stage, but very soft, very nice, very crisp. Yeah, it looks great. So this is quite a long barrel. It seems to me like it's 700 millimeters. So this might be actually to replace the barrel on the other gun, but we'll see about that. Okay, what's else in the box? So this barrel, of course, is an addition. It's not what you get typically in the box, but you do get fill probe and some spare O-rings. Of course, there's no magazine because it's a single shot. So let's get to the other one. I will actually just put it out because we can compare it afterwards. Get the box out of the way. Okay, let's see the super long version. Package very similar, only slightly bigger. Wow, that is huge. That is huge. Also doesn't feel very heavy. Actually feels really nice. Wow. It's very slim on the top here. It seems that it's very appropriate for bench rest shooting because it has this flat surface underneath. Actually, this is the first Matador I have in my hands. I haven't tried any of the previous version, the 1, 2 and 3. I believe there is no version 4. There's skip the 4th and this is the 5. So this is actually number 1. Wow, that's an honor. Serial number 1. Also single shot. Yeah, this is definitely 30 caliber. I assume that that barrel, the 25, is actually for this gun, but this was packed with the other one. Otherwise, very similar. Again, their digital gauge. Let's check what this is showing. Also empty, so 5 bars, I guess. Let's dry fire this one. Sorry guys, you don't have everything in the shot, but I will... About the same. So let's put them together and compare them. Again, of course, you have the same parts with it, so O-rings and fill probe. So I won't give you the information like length and weight. You have this on the Ed's channel. I will say that this wood seems very, very nice. It's probably walnut, but it's very, very... I'm not sure if you can see this clearly in the light that I have here, but it's really, really beautiful. Really nice. In terms of size, well, this one is large. So for a bullpup, that is large actually. That is long relatively. But I think that's a good option in terms of what is still acceptable, and of course efficiency with a longer barrel is always better. And usually you also can get it to be more quiet. So let's check how this shoulders. Yeah, this shoulders perfectly. It's not front heavy, of course. I don't have the scope now yet on. The cycling is very, very far back, but given the fact that any bullpup that has the bolt, the mechanism for cycling in the back, you will need to put it away from the shoulder anyway to cock it. So this doesn't really change anything in terms of practicality. Even if you had it slightly more forward, it would be just the same. And with this, of course, the actually barrel starts much further back, and because of that you get still a slightly shorter gun, but it's still quite long. But again, I would say that it's about the same size as the Cricket is. So I have Cricket in 25, and this I would say it's about the same size, maybe a little lighter. Cricket is almost for sure heavier than this one. And the super long one. Wow, this stock is really, really nice. It's really nice. It's not a glossy finish, so it looks really nice. Also, it doesn't really seem to be front heavy. So I like it. I like it. Well, the most important will be the field test, the accuracy, the velocity, the power, the shot count and things like that. So without any further ado, I'm going to charge and start shooting with those hopefully the weather will get warmer soon so I can do some long range shooting. So yeah, wait for next videos on this. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.